Okay. Well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Yardan Widyadhana Putra. My student ID number is 46124200119. I am student of Information System, Computer Department, Mathematics and Science Faculty, Universitas Negeri Semarang. And here, I want to present my presentation to you about my articles. So, here are my articles title is Information System and Hoax Amid Pandemic in Indonesia. All right. So, what is the goal of this presentation? We can find out the role of information system in countering hoax or fake news through a research that has been done. So, before I made these articles or this presentation, I have searched some information system alternative to solve hoax problems in Indonesia in the middle of pandemics. All right. So before we going deeper about this content, we have to know first. First, we have to know about hoax. So hoax is a news, information, fake news, or fake information or lies. Hoax is an attempt to deceive or outsmart the reader or the listener to believe in something. Even the creator of the fake news or of the hoax news know that the news is fake. Hoax aims to create public opinion, lead opinion, shape perception, or just for fun to test the intelligence and the accuracy of internet and social media users. Hoaxes are made by a person or by a group with various purposes, from just having fun maybe to economic or fraud and political or propaganda, and also public opinion formation or agitation or sedition purposes. We always see hoax or this fake news on our social media. And here are some example of social media. There's WhatsApp, Facebook, and also Instagram. There is another example of social media like Twitter, Snapchat, and many other social media in the internet. Then, what is the social media? So, social media is an online media that supports social interaction. Through social media, all of us, everyone can create, edit, and publish their own news, promotion, articles, photos, and videos. Social media can make us connected with one and each other with just chatting maybe or by calls or video calls. We can communicate each other very fast and economics. Then here are the data of Indonesian daily time spent on media. So I was found some data from We Are Social and Hootsuite, and we can conclude that average Indonesians spend 3 hours and 14 minutes a day accessing social media. From Indonesia's total population, it is 274.9 million people. Active social media user can reach 170 million people. It means that the number of social media users in Indonesia is equivalent to 61.8% of the total population in January 2021. This figure also increases by 10 million, or about 6.3% compared to the last year in 2020. Pandemic. COVID-19. The COVID-19 pandemic in Indonesia is part of the ongoing worldwide pandemic of coronavirus disease in 2019 caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus 2 or SARS-CoV-2. In the Indonesian, the COVID-19 or the first coronavirus case spread in our country, Indonesia, on to March 2020. This pandemic has not ended until now due to several factors. Moreover, COVID-19 pandemic has also led to several significant crimes. And one of the crimes is cyber crimes that we can call a hoax. How we can solve this matter, we have to work together. Although the government has made various efforts to deal with the problem of hoaxes in this country, the role of the community or peoples are very important and very needed, especially people who are involved in the world of technology and information, just like us, like maybe informatics engineering, and also information system must be able to create an alternative to solve this problem so that the number of Fox news can be reduced every day. Here are one of alternative to reduce the hoax. So, Universitas Samudra students from Aceh, they are Farid Syami Rizky Ginting and his friends Rizalul Akram, have created some system that is information system for assessment of hoax reports. This system using comparative methods and also AHP or analytical hierarchy process algorithms. So, how this system work? The method used in this system is the DSS or Decision Support System and AHP or Analytical Hierarchy Process. This method will compare several websites with several criteria. After all, the criteria are compared and we will get the lowest value and the highest value or score from several websites. The highest value the website is correct and the low value of the website is not correct. It means it's a fake news. Then here are a flowchart of the system. We can see here that system works by inputting criteria data, then inputting preference values, and finally inputting alternative data. Then entering the DSS and AHP process, where in this program, the system will create a hierarchy based on the first upload time of news spread by several websites. After being in the hierarchy, the value of several criteria will be obtained. After that, it will produce a value or score after adding up the values of some of these criteria. For the lowest value, the news is automatically a hoax or it's a fake news. But if the news have a highest value or highest score, then the news is true. So we can conclude that this information system aims to educate the public in order to be able to distinguish between true news and the false news or hoax news. Noise on social media can be resolved because the public is more aware of which website to trust and which websites are not to trust. This information system can make people who often spread hoaxes not to spread hoaxes anymore because the system can compare several sites that have the same information so that people are smarter in responding of the hoax news. So I have a motto here, fight hoax, be a smart user by making sure that every search that you get of information is true. All right, ladies and gentlemen, all right, guys, it is all my presentation. Thank you so much for your attention and see you later. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.